Alright, hello YouTube, I'm back. This is the second week of my evaluation challenge on my Forex funds. And I traded a little bit today just because I had to wake up early for work and stuff. So I wasn't really on the charts and stuff. I had other priorities. But yeah, I'll post a screenshot of the trades I took. I took like 2, I think, or something like that. But yeah, someone had commented like a little breakdown video, so I want to figure out how I do that. The reason why I don't really do a breakdown is because my PC is broken, and then yeah, so my PC's been broken for like 2-3 months now, so, and I haven't really prioritized it to get it fixed, but I'm gonna do that within a few weeks or so. I already got a quote and stuff like that. I'm just gotta see when I book the appointment. So I'm gonna try to make things interesting and do 0.05 lots and up and stuff like that, and then hopefully, you know, we do good. So yeah, I got my feet wet last week. I'm just gonna trust my analysis and then go on from there. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll try to get a breakdown video on like a live trade or something. So yeah, thank you guys for the comments and stuff last week. I really appreciate it, and yeah, let's run it up. Alright, what's up YouTube? So I'm gonna do a little breakdown video what I look for in my trades and stuff. So we can see on the charts right here, I basically trade off of liquidity. Liquidity is like what I've noticed that it's more consistent on my trades. So as we can see right here in this little rectangle that I created, there's a bunch of liquidity created, and then after, if it reacts to it how I want it to react, then that's where I go off my entry. So as we can see around this area right here, price came down in this area and then shot back up. But as you guys can see, I don't enter right here. I just wait to see what it does after that, because sometimes it could be a fake out. So after I seen that it wasn't really much of a fake out, I entered, and you guys saw what happened after that. And then yeah, you guys can see it shot up. I could have held it for longer, but it didn't, so we just closed it at that. Yeah, that was our first. Alright, what's good YouTube? So back, change of sceneries. I'm at work still. So I want to break down the second trade that I got into today. So if we look at the charts right here, same concept, just looking for liquidity. After the the downfall over here to the left, I was just being kind of patient and looking for a bullish momentum, because it was basically at the lows of the day, and I was kind of feeling bearish after that. So I mean, as you guys can see, I didn't enter right here on this candle. It would have been super nice if I did. Excuse me, but I didn't. So basically what I look for is price shot up, came back down into this liquidity, came back up, and I was like, okay, look, it's respecting it, so I'm gonna get back in on a second retracement. So as you guys can see, the next candle came into the box right here, my liquidity box, and then price shot back up. So I was like, okay, that's my entry. So I entered, and then yeah, you guys saw I wrote it out, and then it hit my personal take profit. So yeah, that's how it was the first one. So I need to probably look into 0.10 knots now. Alright, what's up YouTube? So I wanted to record my 2 trades that I took today. I won one and lost one. They would have both been W's if I would have just held and had my stop loss a little bit lower. But lesson learned.
And then there was almost been 2 losses if I didn't have that. I felt like I had good psychology. So let me just break down the first one. So you guys can see I was just same concept, liquidity. I was biased on sales. So I was just watching, seeing what market did. As you guys can see, I had drew down my liquidity. Price was going down, respecting it. As you guys see, this wick right here happened, and then came back down. So I was like, okay, that's my entry. So I entered, and price is going in my favor. And then all of a sudden, boom, there's a huge candle, and I went 0.10 lot on that one. So I was down pretty badly on that one, I'm not gonna lie. But I just said to myself, this is definitely like some type of news or something like that. So I was just like, don't close your trade, just have confidence in it. And then yeah, sure enough, a few minutes after, like 10-15 minutes, price came back down, and then I just saw a bunch of rejections and stuff like that. So I was just like, you know what, I'd rather take some of my money and then close it versus me not taking any profit or any money. So that's exactly what I did on that first trade. So that one was kind of a psychological trade. But on the second one, kind of bummed that I lost it, but it is what it is. So you guys can see, same concept, just looking for liquidity, all liquidity right here, all liquidity. So I was waiting, and hit down on this point, hit down right here actually. Price came up, so that's when I decided to hop in around here. And then, price went up just for a few pips into my favor before it tanking down, and then I hit my stop loss before, of course, it shooting up into my price, into my take profit.
Alright, hello YouTube, I'm back. It's Friday finally. I want to just do a recap of the week and what we did. So yeah, it was a pretty good week, I guess. Probably a better week than I've had previously. But I've been thinking and stuff still. I gotta do something to make this account go up a little bit, because I'm growing it, but I'm growing it at a very small pace, very small. So yeah, I need to do something on the account and stuff. I don't know if you guys legible today. Profit of $17. You see the account is at, I don't know if it's backward or not, but it's 10,061. So we're at 0.61%, I guess. So we're not even a percent up in our capital. So we're getting there, but I got 20 more days, I think. So I gotta do something to grow it, and I don't want to get desperate and then do bigger lots and do more trades and then blow my account. So I still want to follow my rules and stuff, but still grow it with a larger lot size. So that's my goal for next week. I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like, comment, share this video. It means a lot. I know my editing is not the best and stuff like that, but I will try to get better at it and be more consistent with the uploads. So I'll try to upload every Friday, and then yeah guys, just please share it so it can help me out on the algorithm and put myself out there. So you guys have a good weekend, and then yeah, just keep back testing. That's key. Back testing is key. So have a good weekend.